find the range and the mean deviation of number 4. Okay, so to find the range, okay, so this is the formula. Range is equal to the highest value minus the lowest value. So let us identify here the highest value. Malagyan nyo what is the highest value for number 4? Okay, 20. And what is the lowest value? 12. Okay, so kindly get the difference. So 20 minus 12. Okay, so therefore the range is 8. So after getting the range, so let us proceed with the second kind, so which is the mean deviation. So the formula is mean deviation is equal to the summation of the absolute value of the difference of x and x bar divided by n. Okay, this is the formula to find the mean deviation. So after writing the formula, our next step is we need to create a table. Okay, this is the given table. Tatlong column to anak. Isa para sa given data. Isang column naman anak para sa x minus x bar. And the absolute value of the difference of x and x bar. Okay, what we're going to do, we need to write all the data here sa x. So what are the given data? We have 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 20. So after that, next step, step 3. Find first the average. Kasi hindi natin masasagutan yung second column kung wala si x bar. And x bar is our mean or average. Now, how to get the average? Okay, ipa-plus natin lahat yung x, then i-divide natin kung ilan sila. Okay, so this will become 16 plus 14, 30 plus 20, 50 plus 13, 63 plus 12, 75 plus 15, 90. Then divided by, ilan po lahat ito? 6. So 90 divided by 6. Okay, therefore our mean is 15. Or x bar is equal to 15. So after getting the x bar, the value of the mean, what we're going to do, pwede na natin sagutan yung second column. Isa-subtract lang po natin anak yung x at yung x bar. So this will become 12 minus 15, negative 3. Absolute value. Okay, positive 3. Direct na tayo agad sa third column. Next, 13 minus 15. Negative 2, absolute value 2. 14 minus 15. Negative 1, absolute value. 15 minus 15, 0. 16 minus 15. And 20 minus 15. Okay. Then after that, na-complete na natin yung table. Okay, our next step is to get the sum. The sum of the absolute value of the difference of x and x bar. Meaning, i-add na natin yung third column. Okay, so we have 3 plus 2, plus 1, plus 1, plus 5. Okay, we have 12. Then, i-divide natin sa n. Ano yung value ng n? Okay, 6. So, 12 divided by 6. Okay, therefore, our mean deviation is equal to 2. And that is the answer.